Hello, wealth seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the secrets of building and preserving wealth. Today, we're tackling a topic that has intrigued people for generations. Why do the rich keep getting richer while others struggle to make ends meet? Is it just luck? Some mysterious advantage? Or perhaps a hidden formula? The truth is far simpler, yet more profound than you might think. It's all about strategy. And today, I'm going to reveal 10 hidden strategies that the wealthy use to build and expand their fortunes. The best part? These strategies aren't locked away in some billionaire's vault. They're principles that anyone can apply. Yes, that means you too. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your financial game, these tips will set you on the right path. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content on wealth building strategies. 1. Buy and hold property. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building for the rich, and for good reason. This strategy is all about playing the long game, buying property and holding on to it as it appreciates over time. The wealthy understand that real estate is not just about having a place to live, it's an investment that can yield significant returns. Whether it's residential, commercial, or even undeveloped land, property tends to increase in value, especially in growing areas. But don't be discouraged if you can't afford to buy a property outright. You can start small by investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to own a share of a property portfolio without the need to manage the properties yourself. Alternatively, you could save up for a down payment on a modest property in an up-and-coming area. The key is to think long-term. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. 2. Sell other people's time. One of the most effective strategies the wealthy use to multiply their income is leveraging other people's time. This principle is at the heart of entrepreneurship and business ownership. When you hire employees or contractors, you're essentially buying their time and skills to create value that exceeds what you pay them. This allows you to scale your operations and earn more than you could by working alone. Even if you're not running a large company, you can apply this principle on a smaller scale. For instance, if you're a freelancer or small business owner, you could hire a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks. This frees up your time to focus on more profitable activities, such as finding new clients or working on high-value projects. By leveraging other people's time, you can increase your productivity and, consequently, your income. 3. Innovate and disrupt. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals didn't just follow the crowd. They led the way by innovating and disrupting established industries. Think about the major technological advancements of the last few decades. Many were the result of someone seeing an opportunity to do things differently, more efficiently, or more effectively. Innovation isn't just about inventing something new. It's about finding better ways to solve problems. You don't need to invent the next iPhone to be innovative. Look around you. Are there outdated practices or inefficiencies in your daily life or work? Can you solve a problem more effectively than it's currently being done? That's where innovation begins. By continuously looking for ways to improve processes or products, you not only add value, but also position yourself as a leader in your field, which can lead to significant financial rewards. 4. Let money make money. The concept of letting money work for you is a fundamental principle in wealth building. The rich don't just save their money, they invest it in assets that generate returns. These investments might include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even businesses. The power of compounding means that your money can grow exponentially over time, provided you invest wisely. One of the most popular ways the wealthy invest is through the stock market. By buying shares in companies, they earn dividends and can sell the shares at a higher price in the future. Another common investment is in bonds, which are essentially loans to companies or governments that pay back with interest. Real estate, as mentioned earlier, is also a popular investment that can generate rental income and appreciate in value. But you don't have to be a financial expert to start investing. Start small with index funds, which spread your investment across a wide range of companies, reducing risk. The key is consistency. Invest regularly, even if it's a small amount, and let compound interest do its magic. Over time, you'll see your wealth grow. 5. Invest in collectibles. While traditional investments like stocks and real estate are well known, the wealthy often diversify their portfolios with alternative investments, such as collectibles. This could include rare art, vintage cars, coins, stamps, or even limited edition sneakers. The value of these items often appreciates over time, particularly if they are rare or have historical significance. However, investing in collectibles requires more than just money. It requires knowledge and passion. You need to understand the market, know what to look for, and be able to distinguish between a good investment and a bad one. Start with items you're passionate about and can afford. As you gain experience and knowledge, you can begin to make more substantial investments. Remember, like all investments, there's a risk involved, but the potential for high returns can be worth it. 6. Invest in education. Education is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. The wealthy understand that learning doesn't stop after formal education. It's a lifelong process. They constantly seek out new knowledge and skills to stay ahead in their fields and to adapt to changing economic conditions. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, reading, or learning from mentors, they invest time and money into their personal development. The benefits of investing in education are twofold. First, it increases your earning potential. The more skills and knowledge you have, the more valuable you are in the job market or in your business. Second, it helps you make smarter decisions with your money. Understanding finance, economics, and investment strategies allows you to better manage your wealth and grow it over time. 7. Scale for growth. To build significant wealth, it's not enough to simply work hard. You need to scale your efforts. Scaling means growing your business or income streams to the point where they can generate revenue far beyond what you could achieve on your own. This might involve automating tasks, hiring employees, expanding your product lines, or entering new markets. The wealthy often achieve this by creating systems that allow their business or investments to operate independently of their direct involvement. For example, a business owner might develop a franchise model, allowing others to replicate their success in different locations. Or an investor might build a diverse portfolio that continues to grow with minimal oversight. Scaling is about multiplying your efforts to achieve exponential growth. It's what separates those who simply work hard from those who build empires. 8. Leverage OPM, other people's money. One of the most powerful strategies the wealthy use is leveraging other people's money, OPM. This means using borrowed money or investments from others to finance investments or business ventures. The idea is to use this capital to generate returns that exceed the cost of borrowing, thereby increasing your wealth. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a rental property allows you to control an asset worth far more than your initial investment. As the property appreciates in value and generates rental income, your return on investment grows, even though you only put down a fraction of the property's value. Another example is using business loans to fund the growth of your company. By borrowing money to invest in your business, you can scale operations, increase profits, and ultimately pay back the loan while retaining the majority of the gains. The key to leveraging OPM is doing so strategically and responsibly. It's important to understand the risks involved and ensure that the returns on your investments exceed the cost of borrowing. 9. First mover advantage. The first mover advantage is a strategy where the wealthy capitalize on being the first to enter a new market or adopt a new technology. By being early, they can often secure a dominant market position, build brand recognition, and enjoy higher profit margins. This advantage is particularly evident in technology and innovation-driven industries. However, being a first mover isn't without risks. Early adopters may face higher costs, uncertainty, and the challenge of creating demand for a new product or service. But for those who succeed, the rewards can be substantial. To leverage the first mover advantage, it's important to stay informed about emerging trends and technologies. This requires a combination of research, intuition, and a willingness to take calculated risks. By positioning yourself ahead of the curve, you can reap the benefits of being an industry leader. 10. Build wealth collectively. Wealth is often built faster and more effectively through collaboration. The wealthiest individuals understand the power of partnerships and alliances. By pooling resources, knowledge, and networks with others, they can achieve far more than they could alone. Whether it's forming a business partnership, joining a mastermind group, or simply networking with like-minded individuals, building wealth collectively allows you to leverage the strengths of others. This approach can lead to new opportunities, shared resources, and the ability to take on larger projects that would be impossible on your own. Networking and forming strategic alliances are essential steps in this process. The connections you make can open doors to new business opportunities, investments, and collaborations that accelerate your path to wealth. To wrap it up, these 10 strategies aren't just theories. They're proven principles that the wealthy use to build and sustain their fortunes. And the good news? You can start applying these strategies today, no matter where you are on your financial journey. The key is consistency, learning, and making informed, strategic decisions over time. Wealth building isn't about getting rich quick, it's about creating a sustainable financial future that offers freedom and opportunities. So, which of these strategies resonates with you the most? Have you already started using any of them? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more insights on building wealth. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. With the right strategies, mindset, and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building that wealth.